can feel our best. Have we listened to them?
Nope.
Absolutely not. But researchers from around the world have now revealed that we are in the right. That some leftover carbs could have surprising health benefits. Take that, experts.
We knew it. Yes, please. Here to tell us more is nutritionist Amelia Phillips. Meals, good morning.
Hey, Meals.
Good morning.
Okay, so how does this work? So cold pasta is getting the tick
Cold
of
rice.
approval
I
over
know.
hot pasta and hot rice. How does it work?
Absolutely. So basically the researchers have found that when you take your starchy carbs like pasta, potatoes and rice, you cook them, you cool them, and then you either consume them cooled or even reheated, it increases the amount of resistant starch in them. Now resistant starch, you want to think of it like these molecules binding together. So what it means is that it's resistant to us digesting it, which might sound like it's a negative thing, but actually it's got a whole range of health benefits.
Let's talk about our starchy wonders then.
Yes.
What food can we do? Let's start with rice.
Okay, so well, actually, I'd love to start with some
you
of
start
the
where you
foods
wanna start.
that are
You're our
naturally occurring in
Okay.
resistant starch, because it's not just those ones I mentioned. So beans are really high in resistant
yeah.
starch, okay, and so are your barley as well, and your oats. Bananas, interestingly enough, if they are green or firm. Now, David, I don't know about you, but Sylvia and I, we don't like our bananas green. We
No.
like them firm,
We do.
large, and ripe. Okay.
Exactly.
Well, I
what
feel
I
really
was
good about
thinking.
myself now.
We definitely don't like them a little overripe.
All right,
No.
let's move on,
No.
please.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, we've all been
Right.
there.
You can make
haven't we?
delicious banana bread out of those, guys.
So that's what's naturally occurring, okay? But then you've got your cooked and cooled options, and what I wanted to show you today, let's start with rice. So here are some options. Brown rice is nice and healthy. It's got a lower GI than your white rice. But here's some cooled options here. We've got your sushi,
Yep.
we've got your fried rice you can have cooled the next day, and then what I love is the Buddha bowl. You a bit of a Buddha
Little
bowl?
bit of a
I love a
pokey.
Buddha bowl, yeah.
Yeah, love that.
Love a poke and a Buddha bowl. I mean,
Oh,
a pokey,
wow.
sorry.
Easy.
What about the pasta?
Okay, so I've just got some examples here, and so this concept of cooling the pasta, you're like, well, what can I have cold? So, you know, pesto is really healthy. Healthy is great. So cooled pesto, and then you've got to remember the Asian noodle salads. Noodles are a style of pasta as well, so you can have those cooled as well. And then with your potatoes.
Potato salads, I love it. This is my favourite season.
I know,
Potato
but
salad season.
I love it. I love
The
it.
best.
We've tricked them up because we're adding beetroot or we're adding green beans to
Yum.
them, because
Yes.
so we're adding some of that natural fibre as well.
So you mentioned the health benefits. What are they? How is resistant starch helping us?
So particularly for anyone who struggles with their weight and they struggle with those blood sugar spikes. So if you're insulin resistant, you've got pre-diabetes or diabetes, it helps to bring those sugar spikes down. It's really good for your gut health because you haven't digested it. Someone's got to digest it. It's all that gut microbiota. So it's prebiotics for your gut bugs, for your good, healthy gut bugs. It lowers your cholesterol. It helps to reduce those IBS symptoms. So, and even been linked to some reduction in cancer risks as well.
Wow.
So yeah, I'm not saying go crazy with your starchy carbs.
But get some.
But get a little bit
some in
cooled,
there.
reheated. We love a bit of reheating,
Potato
don't we?
salad season, the best
Love
season in
it.
the world.
Love it.
Thanks, Meals. Great to see
Thank
you.
you, Mills. Hey, do you like potato salad?
I love potato salad. Anyway.